Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
So we'll see some examples of discriminants. Find the number of solution for the equation. Suppose we have the equation x square plus 2x plus 13 equals 0. We know that description delta, this is delta, equals b square minus 4ac b, this is the b square is 2 square minus 4 times of a and c. See, this one is the c. So we have, and 2 square is so we say that it is 4 minus 4 times of 13 is 52, and we get the answer minus 48. Delta is less than 0, meaning the equation does not have no real roots. So so it does not have any real, but it has some imaginary root. How to find the imaginary root? To find the imaginary root, so not only the imaginary, to find any root, we have to follow this formula: x equals minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a equals minus 2 plus or minus root 2 square minus 4 times of 1 and 13 divided by 2a, so which gives minus 2 plus or minus root minus 48 by 2. We can say x1 equals minus 2 plus, so here plus or minus, right? So first we take plus minus 48 divided by 2, and then the second root x2 equals minus 2 minus root of minus 48 divided 2. Why here plus or minus? So we have here, right? So it is a plus or minus. So first root is in plus, second root substitute for minus. So we have x equals, putting all together, x is having two imaginary root, minus 2 plus, you can say I root minus 48 divided by 2, comma minus 2 minus I root minus 48 divided by 2. So these are the two imaginary root. So we can say that whenever the delta, the discriminant, is less than 0, it has no real root. No real meaning it has the imaginary roots. So these are the imaginary root number 1, value 1 and value 2, right? See you, bye bye, have a great day.